In today's video, we'll dive into two commonly used Russian verbs, ходить and идти. Both mean to go or to walk, but they are used in different contexts. Let's start with ходить. Ходить is an imperfective verb. It's used to describe repetitive or habitual actions, movement in different directions, or when there is no specific destination. It can be translated as to walk or to go. Often used with such words as обычно, часто, редко, каждый день. Here is the conjugation of ходить in the present tense. Я хожу, ты ходишь, он, она ходит, мы ходим, вы ходите, они ходят. Here are some examples. Каждое утро я хожу в парк. Every morning I go to the park. Мы часто ходим в кино. We often go to the movies. Now let's talk about идти. Идти is another imperfective verb, but it focuses on the process of moving in a specific direction or towards a particular destination. It can be translated as to go or to walk, with an emphasis on the current action. Here is the conjugation of идти in the present tense. Я иду, ты идешь, он, она идет, мы идем, вы идете, они идут. Here are some examples. Она идет на работу. She is going to work. Я иду в магазин. I'm going to the store. Let's compare the two verbs with a simple example. Я каждый день хожу в парк. I go to the park every day. Сейчас я иду в парк. I'm going to the park now. Remember, ходить is for habitual actions or movement without a clear direction, while идти is for actions happening at the moment with a specific direction. I hope this clarifies the difference between ходить and идти. Don't forget to practice with your own examples and share them in the comments. See you soon.